Hello! Happy Sunday, everyone! I'm Mrs. Fania. Today, I will read you the story about the Parrot Tico Tango. This book is written and illustrated by Anna Witte. There are some moral values that we can get from this story. Do you want to know the lesson? Let's read together. The Parrot Tico Tango. The Parrot Tico Tango had a round yellow mango, but it wasn't quite as yellow as the lemon of Marcelo. And Tico Tango knew that he had to have it too, so he took it. The Parrot Tico Tango had a round yellow mango, and he carried to his right a lemon small and bright. When he spied Elena's fig, which was purple, sweet, and big, and Tico Tango knew that he had to have it too, so he grabbed it. The Parrot Tico Tango had a round yellow mango, and he carried to his right a lemon small and bright, and on his left a fig which was purple, sweet, and big. When he noticed his friend Terry with a red, juicy cherry, and Tico Tango knew that he had to have it too, so he stole it. The Parrot Tico Tango had a round yellow mango, and he carried to his right a lemon small and bright, and on his left a fig which was purple, sweet, and big, and on his back from Terry a red juicy cherry. When he saw Marina munch on a green grape bunch, and Tico Tango knew that he had to have it too, so he snatched it. The Parrot Tico Tango had a round yellow mango, and he carried to his right a lemon small and bright, and on his left a fig which was purple, sweet, and big, and on his back from Terry a red juicy cherry. And he clutched the grapes he'd put in his strong sharp foot. When he spotted proud Soraya with a deep orange papaya, and Tico Tango knew that he had to have it too, so he seized it. The Parrot Tico Tango had a round yellow mango, and he carried to his right a lemon small and bright, and on his left a fig which was purple, sweet, and big, and on his back from Terry a red juicy cherry. And he clutched the grapes he'd put in his strong sharp foot, and in his other foot he held the papaya he had smelt. When he saw his good friend Nate with a tiny brown date, and Tico Tango knew that he had to have it too. So he opened his beak wide to feed it deep inside, when crash! Down came the mango, down came the lemon, down came the fig, down came the cherry, down came the grapes, and down came the papaya. Now, the Parrot Tico Tango didn't even have his mango, but his friends thought, what a treat! All that fruit they had to eat. They took the fruit he stole, and they put it in a bowl. They washed it, and they sliced it. They peeled it, and they diced it. Tico Tango felt contrite. He knew he had to put things right. Please forgive me. I feel bad, that I took the fruit you had." And the Parrot Tico Tango begged for just one piece of mango. His friends were quite divided, but soon they all decided he deserved another chance. They would make the parrot dance. "If you teach us all the tango, you can have a piece of mango." And Tico Tango knew that he had to have it too, so he danced for it. After listening to the story, what do you think? What moral value can you get from the story? Yes, we cannot be greedy. We have to be thankful of what we have. That's all my storytelling today. Have a nice day and see you!